In this video, I'm going to show you the process of depositing funds into your Lloyds bank account. But first, please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So let's begin. So there are different methods to add funds to your Lloyds bank account. You can do it by, first, online banking. You have the flexibility to deposit funds into an account through online, phone or mobile option. Furthermore, you can easily make payments to other or transfer money between your accounts. Just access internet banking or the mobile app and follow the provided payment guidelines. Moreover, the Pay a Contact feature enables you to send payment to recipient using their mobile phone number, simplifying the process even further. Second, visit a Lloyds Bank branch. You can go to a local Lloyds Bank branch with the cash or checks you want to deposit. The bank teller or the self-service deposit machines in the branch can assist you in making your deposit. Third, post office. You can deposit cash and checks at your local post office if it offers Lloyds Bank services. Ensure that you have the necessary checks and visit a nearby post office branch. To do it, just click on Find your nearest post office and you'll be able to find a branch near to you. They will help you out and guide you through the deposit process. Fourth, paying checks. This can be accomplished through the app, where you have the option to deposit individual checks of up to £5,000 or a combined total of £5,000 per day. Using the mobile banking app, you can conveniently capture a photo of the check and have its detail automatically processed. This method not only eliminates the need for a visit to the physical branch, but also ensures that deposited funds are typically available on the following business day. To do it, just follow the procedure located in this section of the website. Please note that the specific methods and features may vary depending on your account type and the services available in your region. It's advisable to check with Lloyds Bank or refer to their official website or app for the most up-to-date and detailed instruction on how to add funds to your account. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.